10 money hacks I wish I knew at 20. If I could go back to my 20s, I wouldn't change my hairstyle or my relationships. I'd change the way I handled money. Because the truth is, the earlier you start making smart money moves, the easier life gets later. So here are 10 money hacks I wish I knew at 20. And trust me, even if you're past 20, these hacks will save you years of mistakes. Hack 1. Pay yourself first. Most people save whatever is left after spending. That never works. Here's the hack. Move at least 10% of your income into savings the moment you get paid. Think of it as paying your future self before anyone else. Hack 2. The 24-hour rule. Impulse spending will keep you broke. Before buying something non-essential, wait 24 hours. Most of the time, you'll realize you don't even want it anymore. Hack 3. Learn high-income skills. Jobs can disappear, but skills stay with you. At 20, I wish I focused less on random side hustles and more on skills like coding, copywriting, or video editing. These skills easily pay $50 to $100 an hour. Hack 4. Automate your money. Set up automatic transfers into savings and investments. This way, you don't rely on willpower. Your money grows in the background without you even noticing. Hack 5. Build credit early. A lot of 20-year-olds avoid credit cards, but not having credit history hurts you later. Here's the smart play. Get a card, buy small things, and pay it off in full each month. It builds your credit without debt. Hack 6. Avoid lifestyle creep. When you make more money, don't instantly upgrade your lifestyle. At 20, I thought every raise meant new clothes or gadgets. Big mistake. Keep expenses the same, and let the extra money go into savings or investments. Hack 7. Invest in stocks. Set aside small fraction of your salary and invest in stocks and treasury bills. Your future self will thank you. Hack 8. Track your spending. You can't fix what you don't measure. Use free apps to see where your money actually goes. The shock of realizing how much I spent on food and rides at 20 still haunts me. Hack 9. Build an emergency fund. Life is unpredictable. Without an emergency fund, even small problems turn into big financial stress. Save at least 3 months of expenses. Think of it as buying peace of mind. Hack 10. Start something small, online. This one is big. At 20, I wasted time scrolling instead of creating. Start a YouTube channel, a blog, a digital product, or even sell online. The internet is the fastest way to build income streams that grow with you. If I had followed these 10 hacks at 20, I'd be years ahead financially today. And here's the thing. It's never too late. Whether you're 20, 30, or 40, the sooner you start, the better. Now I want to share the one money mistake that almost ruined me in my 20s and how you can avoid it. Stick around for the next video.